Hello YouTube, welcome back to Web Gear Review. Today I want to take a look at the M-1910 meat can. Most people call this a mess kit. But anyhow, if you like this kind of information in this type video, why don't you hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell and you'll get all my latest content. Around the turn of the century, before World War I, the United States military was still using the 1874 meat can. However, it was not a standard issue item. In 1909, the United States military, they wanted to make a new type of meat can. So basically, they took the good features that they liked from the 1874 model and they threw it into this here mess kit and made this mess kit here. However, there are some changes between it. This here is one of the features that come off the 1874 model of a meat can. But anyway, it's 8 1/4 long. It weighs 12.5 ounces. It's made out of aluminum. This here appears to be a brass casting with three rivets in it. This here is made out of metal, and it's 1.5 inches thick. So that means if you put a straight edge across here, measure down into the bottom, it's 1 1/4 deep. There's the inside rivets. Here's the plate. The plate is only about 3 inches deep if you was to run a straight edge across there. But anyway, these here mess kits was only made by one company that I know of from 1910 to 1918, and that was Rock Island Arsenal. Now, during 1918, a lot of other makers jumped in, and they also started producing the M-1918 mess kit, which just see my next video. I'll show you what one of them looks like. But anyway, there is a big misconception about this here mess kit. A lot of people believe this is a World War I. It is a World War I mess kit, but a lot of people believe that this is an M-1918 mess kit just because it is stamped 1918. But this is a M-1910 mess kit that was manufactured in 1918 by the Landers, Ferry, and Clark Company. If you want to check out an M-1918 mess kit, see my next video. Why don't you hit share, like, and thanks for watching Web Gear Review.